I'm Jake Holmes, and welcome to another edition of TrendTalk. In an increasingly digital economy with a high demand for instant gratification, faster payments have become the new normal. Credit unions offering faster payments are gaining a competitive edge, while those without may miss their opportunity to become top of wallet. From Generation Z to baby boomers, consumers of all ages have become accustomed to fast and convenient digital experiences, often because of third-party mobile payment apps. As a result, members expect the same level of speed and convenience from their credit unions. By taking advantage of a payments hub solution, your credit union can benefit from streamlined, secure payment capabilities for sending and receiving near real-time payment transactions. Assembling the operational infrastructure of a faster payments method from scratch can be difficult to assemble and maintain. By utilizing an existing and tested payments hub resource, your credit union's payment strategy can be aligned with the expectations of your membership. A payment hub solution can also provide seamless connections and all the required data feeds to other payment partners, helping your credit union evolve, grow, and compete with the industry's emerging and aggressive payment disruptors. For credit unions not yet offering faster payments, the competitive advantage is still within reach, but time is of the essence. Before members begin to rely too heavily on third-party mobile payment apps, your credit union should look at your payment strategy to determine if a payments hub solution can help you remain or achieve top-of-wallet status. For more on faster payments, contact your account relationship manager here at Synergen.